Hi Fat Kids, this is Reshma Bhadi here and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are watching this video for the first time, let me tell you that I've lost about 45 kgs in the span of about 2 to 3 years, and I started posting my journey on all my social medias, got response, and hence started my own YouTube channel. The only thing that I get asked many times is how I stay motivated. I'm going to answer all these questions to you guys right now, so keep on watching. Motivation is something that wears off, and to be consistent you need to be motivated every single day. So for me, one of the major role that I have played is internet. Internet can be misused and can be used in a really good way as well. I started posting my journey, my transformation pictures, my recipes and everything on the social media, and I got amazing response out of it. If you guys want to stay motivated with the help of internet, you can read to Audible books, you can start posting your journey and connect to people who are on the same journey as you, and that will always keep you motivated. Or else you can come back to my channel for some motivational videos that I've already done. The other thing which I get asked many times is, after 5 o'clock I start eating whatever I want to until morning se leke 5 o'clock tak I'm like on my track. What exactly happens after 5 o'clock? So after 5 o'clock what happens is your body wears off all the motivation, and since you've been so restrictive towards your body, it doesn't respond. So I keep on saying this many times is listen to your body. If your body is craving for food, give it food. If your body is not craving for anything, do not stuff in because your diet chart says so. And you need to make this a habit. A habit is something very difficult to break or make even. So it takes just 21 days to make or break a habit. Apply that and make it a habit of eating clean. A habit will never be disturbed. The third thing that helps me stay on track is tracking my progress. I take a lot of before and after pictures. I write my workout down, I write my meals down, and whatever is written, you are bound to do. If you are tracking your progress, you may not see a lot of changes in the weighing scale, but your measurements cannot be wrong. So start tracking, and that way, even if you lose 1 inch a week, you will be really pumped up to work harder the next week. And that is one major thing that has helped me stay motivated. Make it interesting. I promote weight training, but that may or may not be liked by everyone. If you like Zumba, go and dance. If you like aerobics, please go ahead and do that. If you love running, go in the park and run. Whatever you like, you are bound to stick to it for a really long time. I love lifting weights. I love lifting heavy weights. And that is why every week I go to the gym, I make sure that I have a target set and I fulfill it. So that is how I stay motivated, by making my workout interesting all the time and doing what I love. So any kind of physical activity is fine for a healthy lifestyle and losing weight, of course. So please go ahead and find what you like and do that for a really long period of time, and you will never give up on it. Also, setting smaller goals and giving yourself small rewards keeps you motivated all the time. So for me, I love my after workout smoothies, and I am constantly thinking about it all day to come up with new smoothie recipes, or I really love fruits in general. So I have decided that I'll be giving myself a glass of smoothie only after a workout, and that is like a small reward. And when it comes to setting smaller goals, so now if I had to look at a picture of losing 40 kgs all at once, I would have definitely given up, because it's a huge number. So if you guys can break it down, 1 kg per week is the best target, and achieve it and move forward. So once you look back, you might have achieved like a lot of it, but it is still easy going, and you will always be motivated to achieve those smaller goals. The one thing that we generally do is be insecure about ourselves. The more insecure you are about yourself, the easier it is for the motivation to go away. So just start loving yourself the way you are, and then keep on improving. The more you love yourself, the easier the process becomes. One thing I always say is to have belief. You need to believe in something or someone that is higher than you, so that belief can keep you going. Keep a belief that you will never fail. Be positive as much as you can. If I had a negative attitude, I don't think I would have come this far. So having a positive attitude is really essential in staying motivated all the time. Now you guys found out the secret on how I stay motivated, so I would love to know your secret as well. Please tell me, how do you stay motivated in the comment section down below, and I think I'll get really pumped up after reading them and make better content for you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social media networks, and I'll see you next time. Bye!